Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we are solving some word analogies. I have brought to you 10 questions, and these are very basic questions of analogies to get you into the system of what actually analogies are. So let us take a look at very basic and very simple analogies, and then we will move on to more complex and advanced ones. So the first is, the question in front of you is newspaper, press, cloth. What is the next word? To find the answer, you have to go back to the first word and see the connection between the word of pair, the word pair, whatever it has to say about. So newspaper and press, for example, you see the newspaper over here, and the newspaper is prepared in a press. It is printed in a press. So what about the cloth? The options are tailor, textile, fiber, factory, or mill. So if newspapers are prepared in a press, the cloth is prepared or manufactured in a mill. So you have to find the similarities between the two. So you see the newspaper being prepared in a press and cloth being prepared in a mill. So here your answer is mill. Solutions: just as the newspaper is prepared in a press, cloth is manufactured in the mill. So your answer is mill. The second one. Second is the word pair is nurse, doctor. So you have to find the first word. Now you have to infer, you have to think about the nurse and the doctor, the status of the nurse and the doctor. And dash and the follower. The doctor is in the higher position, authority, and the nurse follows him. तो followers किसको follow करता है? Employer, leader, manufacturer, or D, or union? Any guess? The nurse follows the doctor and the followers follow the leader. Here your solution is, just as the nurse follows the doctor's instructions, so do followers work as directed by the leader. The followers work as directed by the leader. So nurse follows the doctor and the followers follow the leader. Here your answer is the leader. Number 3, a very simple one. Moon is a satellite. Earth is a sun, planet, asteroid, or satellite. Sun. The Earth is a planet. So your answer is Moon is a satellite and the Earth is a planet. The fourth one. Forecast, future. You can forecast the future. You can forecast, you can predict the future. I may get 80%. So, forecast is for future happenings. And you regret, आप किस बात के लिए पछताते हैं? Present के लिए, you regret, you feel sorry? No. Are you regretting the past or you're regretting the sins? तो यहाँ आंसर क्या है? Solutions क्या है? Forecast is for future happenings and regret पश्चाताप होता है past actions के लिए. So here your answer is past. Once again, forecast is for future happenings and regret is for past actions. The easy one, influenza is a disease which is caused by a virus, and typhoid is a disease which is caused by bacillus, parasite, protozoa, or bacteria. So it is caused by bacteria. The answer is influenza causes a disease caused by the virus, and typhoid is a disease caused by bacteria. See, these are very simple ones. Now, fear. What causes what? Fear, threat causes fear. कोई threat आता है, कोई चुनौती आती है आपके सामने, तो आप डर जाते हैं. So, threat causes fear. And what causes anger? कोई आपको उकसा देता है, कोई आपको instigate करता है, कोई आपको provoke करता है, उकसा देता है आपको, तो फिर आप नाराज जाते हैं. So, not compulsion, not panic, but yes, provocation, and D, force. No. First arises from the second. Fear arises from threat, and anger arises from provocation. Somebody provokes you, somebody instigates you. कोई आपको उकसाता है तो आप नाराज आप हो जाते हैं. 7 is pretty easy for you. When you melt something, it becomes liquid. And when you freeze something, it becomes ice. No. Condensed. No. Solid. Yes. Crystals. No. Melt, liquid, freeze, solid. The first is the process of the formation of the second. Number 8. Instruments, like clock gives you the time, and thermometer is a tool which measures your temperature. Clock, time, thermometer measures your temperature. First is an instrument to measure the second. Number 9, pretty easy for you. The Muslims, they worship in a mosque, and the Sikhs, they worship in a Gurudwara. Not the Golden Temple, not the Medina, not Fire Temple, but the Gurudwara. Solution, the second is the place of worship for the first one. Like the mosque is a place for worship for the Muslims, and the Gurudwara is a place for the worship of the Sikhs. And the easiest, the last one is about foot, pair, panja. Paw is called, cat के जो पंजे होते हैं, पैर जो होते हैं, तो paw कहा जाता है. Cat, paw, and hoof. Can it be horse? Can it be lion, lamb, or elephant? So the answer is hoof होता है horses का. The horses have hoofs. The first is the name given to the foot of the second. So these were the analogies, pretty simple one. We will come back with some synonym analogies, synonym, antonym, cause and effect. So there's going to be some series of antonyms and synonyms for your verbal ability, and analogies keep cropping up in your exams. आपके exams में भी आते हैं, आपके syllabus में भी हैं, और in your AKU external exams, these keep on cropping up. But then you have to know from the very basic to the higher level. We'll come again with this was the second part, and we'll come again with some analogies of antonym and synonym. For example, if happy is sad, antonym, happy, sad, cold, hot. So there's some antonyms, synonyms, but you have to learn the basic ones. Like, what is the meaning of melancholy? If blissful is on cloud 9, If blissful is on cloud nine, what is melancholy? So melancholy is sadness. So there can be difficult words too in the next level. So keep watching, keep growing, keep knowing. That's all for today. Take care.